So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and in this video we'll cover this lab. So simply click on Start Lab. Now from here just right click and open the console incognito window. Now from here just click on I understand. Now here just click on it to activate the Cloud Shell. Click on continue and then just authorize yourself. Now in the description box of this video I've shared this GitHub repository. You have to simply scroll down, come over here, paste and hit enter. Now here it's asking for location. I'll find the location, Control F, just type location, or you can just type region also. And from here, just copy this region. It will be different for you, so carefully just find it, paste, hit enter. Now wait for all these commands to get executed. Now here you can see all things are done. Just come to the lab instruction and check the score. And if you want to enable the check my progress bar, you can check the video description how to enable check my progress bar. Now simply try to check the score and you can clearly observe that we have got full score without any issue. So do like the video and subscribe the channel and have a great day ahead.